How to create a graph in Excel. Hello everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to guide you step by step in a very simple tutorial which is very beginner friendly. So let's get started with the process. So we can directly open up Excel and open up Excel with a data. You can type your data in rows or columns like this, right? Like I've shown on my screen available. Now what we can do from here is we can select up the data. We can just go over, click and highlight the all data, including the headings too, like month, expenses, revenue, sales, etc. You can click on it. And once you have selected your data available like this, highlighted it, you can insert a graph. For that, go to the insert option in the top menu and select it. And from this section, we can go to this chart section here. We can find the recommended chart, or we can even look out for the chart ourselves, such as, these kind of columns or any other tree map, etc. Waterfall, even line kind of graph. You can select those, or you can select this option of recommended charts, and we can select the kind of chart that we want. We have different chart available here. We can just go and click on the chart and Excel will create it instantly. For example, I would like to create this line graph. So I can just go and select it and click on this option called OK. And when you do, you can find the Excel chart being available on your screen. So you can just go over and view it up, and there we go. You can see you can just go over and look out for it instantly. We can look out for different editing options as well. Here in the top, we can find chart, different kind of layout available. You can choose the one that you would prefer and insert it up on your particular screen like this and apply it up the changes. You can click on the chart title option in order to make the changes to the title as well. You can just go over and, make the title, type your own title. And apart from that, we can just go over and even look out for these format area where we can format access titles, data labels, the legends, etc. And right click on any part of the graph to change the colors, styles, etc. And you can just go and even resize it or move it up. But usually you can just go and follow up this process, and the graph is now created, the chart is now created. You can add it up onto your chart screen like this, and that's it. So you may follow this process if you'd like to create a graph in Excel as well, which is super easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.